So I wanted to give you all an example of what it's like for time in the nest, rather time in the neighborhood during nesting season. So what this is Canuck and Cassiar have gone into another crow's territory, and they have babies on the ground, and essentially Canuck and Cassiar are causing trouble. So the crow parents that have babies that are on the ground around here have two on the ground, and Canuck and Cassiar are just trying to cause trouble for the new parents. And if you watch from the beginning of this video, when it's finished, you'll see that humans aren't the only ones getting dive bombed. It's crows as well. I've been watching Canuck get dive bombed for probably the last 15-20 minutes now. So, no babies from Cassiar in Canuck's nest as of yet, but with the other ones coming out of their nests and out of the trees, it should be soon, I imagine, or at least hope. And talk to you all again soon.